All right, Big Red's over there at the staging. Basically, they towed it in, and they're gonna fire it up there, right here on the big yellow X, to show that the airstrip is closed.
At the starting line.
See what this thing sounds like from a distance. I was informed that I would need these Winchester earmuffs. I'm guessing that it's pretty loud at wide open throttle. All right, here we go. They were kidding. Okay, so it's 9 a.m. It's Thursday morning. Wondering why.
It's Thursday?
Yes, Dan. You're wondering why we're on a private jet, because about 6 hours ago we got invited to come out to Arkansas with the boys from the Big Red Camaro team.
It is known for starting pro touring. It really began its life as a road race car. Right now I'm bringing it to you and it's set up for full speed, flat out top speed run. The fastest it's ever gone at Mojave Magnum was 266.2 miles an hour.
To witness them try to attempt some sort of record. Dan, what the hell are we doing?
All right, so Big Red has done quite a few runs like this before. They've done stuff on salt flats, on dirt. This is pavement, so they're really shooting to go pretty fast. Oh, I'd say over 250 mile an hour is what they were saying. 250 in a mile.
And Dan's gonna ride along too. We have landed in Memphis, baby, and it is wet and muggy. God,
That's cool, man. I brought the powder.
It's never a good sign when the windows are fogging up as soon as you land.
It's pretty bad already.
That means there's a whole lot of humidity outside.
It'll dry up quick.
Gonna be a whole lot of grundle butter on this trip. Mm-hmm. You ready for the grundle butter?
Got some of those butt wipes?
So we made it to Arkansas. It's about 10 o'clock at night. So we're all about to hit the hay because we got to be up early tomorrow morning. Race starts at about 10, but we got to be there roughly about 7:30 to get all prepped, get the car all set up. It's going to be kind of a shitty day tomorrow. Hopefully it clears up long enough to get some runs in, and you know what, we can put down some 200-mile-an-hour plus passes because that's why we're here, baby. Plus, what the? Dan, Bill, break down on this donk real quick.
So you found Uber.
Donk Dan.
Yo, I had one of these.
Get out of here.
I'm like super close to it.
So this is basically a Crown Vic, but it's not. It's like a, what is this?
Grand Marquis.
Grand Marquis.
Grand Marquis, I had one. Same year.
All right, well, we got to wrap it up here. We got to be up in 8 hours, so.
8? I don't think it's even that much.
Oh, God, it's midnight. I thought it was 10. My bad.
No, we got to
Yeah, so we got to be up in 6 hours. So,
yeah.
Anyway, see you tomorrow morning.
All right, so early morning, headed to the racetrack, which isn't a track, it's an airport, it's a small airport.
Now, told by Mr. Wally here that we're going, this event is being held at an old Army Air Force base. Looks like a school it used to be. It's f***ing eerie.
I know, it's like Chernobyl.
Hell yeah. All right. We have made it.
Standing mile events utilize elements of both quarter-mile drag racing and traditional land speed racing. Entries in these events are a mixed bag, ranging from stock production vehicles to exotic bespoke machines built to smash top speed records. Now under new ownership, the East Coast Timing Association, also known as the ECTA, has grown into the principal land speed racing sanctioning body for the eastern United States. Multiple times a year, scores of car and motorcycle racers gather at a desolate airstrip in Blytheville, Arkansas with one common goal: covering the distance of a standing mile with the highest possible trap speed. In some cases, standing mile specials can achieve speeds in excess of 200 miles per hour.
Here with the team.
Not too many people here yet. I think the weather scared them off for the morning, but it should dry up pretty soon. Hopefully we get rolling in a couple hours.
Well, I learned how they basically prime the engine and heat the oil beforehand.
Yeah.
Which is very contrary to, let's say, Bad Daddy Brady's method of just firing it up at full tilt on the limiter.
So Larry here is telling us that when we got the oil heated up in the back, right? So everything's in a cell in the back. The oil's heating up back there with basically a block heater like you use on a diesel truck, somewhat.
Yeah,
so just better technology. And then you got
the oil
pump.
And we circulate it. We prime the oil pump and circulate it to the motor.
Yep. So you just got a drill there and you squeeze that, prime it through, and then I hear you guys like just turning the engine over as well every few minutes.
That way we get oil on the lock harness and rods and
yeah. So this takes about an hour. It's cool. Good setup.
So much prime.
Yeah. A lot of work.
So while we're out here kind of waiting for the track to dry up, I figured we'd go check out some of these abandoned planes and stuff because looks pretty sick and kind of creepy. Oh, sweet. Look at this.
What in the redneck Christmas is going on here? Oh my God.
Going in. Wild. Hey, so in an abandoned plane right now. Well, I haven't seen any snakes yet, so that's good. On this mother plane! So it looks like we're drying out here. We had a bunch of showers last night and into this morning. So we're actually gonna go and do a little run in the old Tahoe here. See what she do.
Where's the start line? Right here?
So here, show them this. So this is the start.
You already rolled past it, so yeah. Oh, we're turning that off.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, big launch!
Ah, 50.
Okay. And then we do this for a mile. This is gonna be fast. Keep it at 50 so you can kind of feel the grooves in the... Man, it looks like it goes on forever, doesn't it? but in Big Red, it's gonna feel like a few seconds. All right, crossing the finish line about 3 hours later.
Sick.
Boom, we made it. Well, I can't wait. I'll just get in the first one, huh? Mm-hmm. This is the first ride along.
Yep.
All right, let's go check out the boys.
Talking about. Hell yeah!
I just gained 200 pounds.
Fat Dan.
Fat Dan.
Finally the time. We are here at the start line. They were kidding. I mean, I don't know how loud it was to the camera, but it was still loud with these earbuds on.
Hey.
Hey.
It's hot in here. Gotta go.
Let's see you there. Danger Dan. How was it?
It's awesome. Trying to figure out a couple things with the car and I'm gonna go again. It rips through the gears so fast.
Really?
Like, you can't.
It seemed like he was like
you can't
pretty.
tell how fast you're going.
Yeah.
It's just noise. You can't. I couldn't like have a visual of how fast we're going. It's just like, well, I feel like we're going fast from the noise, but other than that, it's just everything happens so fast. It's crazy.
All right, so we just got some information. We just got the data back, and it shows that they were just seeing a bunch of wheel spin. So we were getting wheel spin on the last run, right?
Yes.
What is the solution to make this thing not blow the tires off at 150 miles an hour?
We're not going to lock up the converter at all this pass. We're just going to let it slip.
A torque converter is a type of fluid coupling which transfers rotating power from a prime mover, like an internal combustion engine, to a rotating driven load. In a vehicle with an automatic transmission, the torque converter connects the power source to the load. It is usually located between the engine's flex plate and the transmission. The equivalent location in a manual transmission would be the mechanical clutch. A torque converter will multiply torque between the impeller and the turbine, optimizing power output. This provides the equivalent of a reduction gear. This is a feature beyond that of the simple fluid coupling, which can match rotational speed but does not multiply torque, thus reduces power. Some of these devices are also equipped with a lockup mechanism which rigidly binds the engine to the transmission when their speeds are nearly equal, to avoid slippage and the resulting loss of efficiency.
It softens the shift and the transformation from one gear to another. And also we take about 40 degrees of timing out. So we're doing two things kind of to soften the whole hit up.
Did you say 14 degrees?
No, 4 degrees.
Oh.
Yeah, 4 degrees of timing, I'm sorry.
All right, yeah.
This thing has a lot of torque and it's really aggressive on the start. So when the track isn't up to par, we have to adjust things to make it get traction on some of these tracks. If it doesn't rain much tonight or tomorrow, the track will just get better and hopefully we'll go faster. We can start bringing the lockup of the converter back in a little bit, so maybe a little bit more timing back in.
Cool. Right on, man. I appreciate it. Thanks for walking me through. They're going to just dial it back so it can get some traction on this course. And we're going to put Dan back in the car and try to hit 200. Rock and roll.
Yeah, man.
Have fun. We'll see you then.
Awesome, yeah. Hopefully we get a good one out of this.
Oh, yeah. right, as you can probably hear in the background, Big Red is lining up. Second run of the day. They're gonna try to click off a 220 run minimum here.
That was a good run that I just short shifted. Now we're going. The other one was a short shifted. That's okay. Not good run.
Looking good, Dan.
That was a good one.
Yeah? Did y'all make it up to?
214.
Okay.
He's still taking it easy, but man, it felt great. That was so much better. It's night and day. Just a night and day difference. It's so well planted, man, and it's so smooth. Just like he said before, like if we got good speed coming across what I thought was the little bumps before, couldn't even tell. It was just, I would have gone another mile. You kind of want it, you like crave it at that point. You're like, let's just go another mile, see what it can do.
Drop that hammer.
Oh, he's still just babying it. Holy shit, man.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Pretty loud. Here we go.
That's pretty cool to see from the outside. That thing's moving.
It's loud.
Yeah, he gave her a little bit more noise on that one, I feel like.
Yeah, it seemed like the last run he was just kind of like, whatever. Like we thought you went slower, and you wound up doing 218. So that sounded like he was actually in it.
He was getting it. Yeah.
All right, how'd that one feel?
Felt good. Fastest we've gone here. We did 242 before. Real happy with the 247. I think we'll probably be able to beat that tomorrow, I think. So
I think so too. Right on, man. Hey,
all right.
Good to see you on it today.
Thanks, man.
That was a good one.
Thanks. How did it look from the outside?
Sounds so cool.
Yeah.
We had trouble keeping up with the camera because when we were a half mile, you were just bugging.
That's not untypical.
Yeah.
I've heard that before.
Well, Dan, it's time to go home and celebrate.
Yep, go celebrate and come back tomorrow and break some records.
Sky, motherfucker. In the meantime, Dan is gonna go and try to get his license in there. It's crazy how well insulated and well set up everything is.
I like slick stuff like this too, right? You might make enough boost to blow your coupler off. It's just a cool thing to hold that on there. I've had to do that on a few cars before. It was just cool to see it, you know.
I would guess that these bypass valves are there for a reason.